Good morning. Our typical morning looks like here. You hear everybody's still kind of asleep. Nah, nobody's sleeping. Everybody's eating breakfast. Everybody's up and about. But this is morning. Got the generator running. Just for coffee. Got to have the coffee. Coffee. See how that slowed down when I raised that up? Watch. Power. No power. There's a difference in the generator. Now to raise up. There it goes. Pretty cool. That's where I melted the table with the oven. That's why the generator's over there running coffee, because we're out of propane back there and I don't feel like going to get any right now. That tank's full. That tank's empty. We'll get some on the next supply run. Gander over here. More campers in here today though. A lot more. Here is, man, it's really rocky back here. Wash is still dry. No rain. We haven't had any rain in about a week. They're typical mornings. Getting ready to make pancakes on the Blackstone. We have Desert Adventures Arizona's live going right now, but that's going in the clam on the phone. Then after that, it's going to be Ron Darrell. There is the Mobile Traveler. He's out and about this morning. But everybody's been pretty much out and about already. But yeah, normally we don't run our generator in the mornings. We have propane, but we haven't did a supply run. Not ready to go do one yet. Oh, and the lights looked good last night. I should have got a video of those, but I'm soaking plenty of sun up today. And the dogs are barking at me. What are you after? Me? What's up, Jasper? Yeah? They were at the door, but they left. But yeah, typical morning for us. We get up, grab our coffee, make our breakfast, which is usually oatmeal, because the Blackstone hasn't been set up in a while. Yeah, we'll make our pancakes, oatmeal, sometimes cereal, sometimes toast on the toaster over here. We don't have a regular toaster, because I thought they were big power consumers, but come to find out they're not. But that's our typical morning. Well, I got pancakes to make. A couple lives to watch, so I'm going to get on the pancakes. Notice we still haven't fixed our screen yet, because we got to go get the screen. Probably down in Yuma. And that's going to be our project next week, I believe. We have that screen to fix and this screen to fix. And then we're going to put this stuff all the way up here so the dogs can't push the screen out again. And on those windows so they can't get through the screen. And the window over here. That window. See, they've pushed through the screen there too. Well, we're going to put that wire mesh over it too. So all the windows will be dog proof. And then we're going to make screens for here. And do something with a mesh too so they can't get through there. Because not being able to open these windows makes a huge difference. If we could open them windows and get a breeze through there on the hot days, that would be great. And I forgot the Lucy light here. But I didn't put that up last night. I forgot. Anyway, it's a pancake making time. I gotta get busy. I'm hungry. I gotta get set up for the live, and we got live to watch yet. So everybody, I gotta get going on pancakes. See you in a few. Hey, what are you doing in there?
Making the pancakes.
You're making what?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? Ooh, them look good. Yum, yum. They smell good, too. You put your secret ingredient in the pancakes?
No, not today.
You can put the secret ingredient in there? Well, if we tell you guys the secret ingredient, we'd have to kill you.
Nope. Or the guy that he gave us the ingredient to would come after us, too.
Oh.
Like a mafia.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we don't want that.
Nope.
I'm hungry. Look at them pancakes. Ooh, can she flip them? Let's see. She flipped it. How about that one? Ooh, flip that one too. If y'all ain't got a Blackstone, go get one. You'll love it.
Normally I put 4, but I'm not fully awake yet.
She ain't had her coffee yet.
No, I've only been sipping on it. It's too hot.
Alrighty. I'm hungry. Yum, yum.
I'll cook these.
Boy, them look good. What do you make 3 little ones for?
They're for the fur babies.
Fur babies.
They like pancake.
Oh, yeah, that is right. They like pancakes.
Yeah.
Boys like it without syrup, not Lulu. Lulu's got to have butter and syrup on her pancakes.
The boys don't taste it. They just wolf them
yeah,
down.
the boys, they don't care.
They'll eat them with or without the syrup.
Ooh, them look good. Oh, them look good. Man, they smell good, too. Again, we told you about the secret ingredient. We'd have to kill you, so.
I didn't put it in. I totally forgot.
Yeah, which Becky forgot the secret ingredient anyway, so. There's the finished product. Becky can make a pancake now, can't she? Here's Lulu's, all buttered up. Got syrup on them. She got to have syrup. Get off there, fly. That's not yours. But yes, yummy, yummy for our tummies. But yeah, Lulu's got to have butter and syrup on hers. The boys, they'll eat them plain. But nope, not Lulu. Look at that nice golden pancake. Oh, y'all need smell-o-vision. But yeah, if y'all ain't got a Blackstone, y'all need to get one. Look how almost clean that is. See, just scrapes right off. Scrapes right off. Goes in that little hole back there. And we'll hit that with water. Wipe it down while it's hot. So you gotta steam it. And then I'll hit it with more lard. Be good to go. But yeah, get you one if you ain't got one. But I'm going over here to enjoy these pancakes.